to get your day going because it's a little gray out there. We got some rain showers around. We will see those thin out as we head towards our lunch hour, but a better chance for storms shows back up later tonight. We'll talk timing on that, severe threat, and we'll also take a look at our 4th of July forecast hour by hour for you. So first off, some good news for us. No advisories in place when it comes to our air quality. And as of right now, we are good. We are in the good range for air quality. Our AQI, which is our air quality index, is at about 33 at the moment. A couple things helping us out in that regard. One, of course, being the rain, which has been around for a good chunk of the night and early morning so far. It almost washes away the pollution in the atmosphere. The other thing helping us out is our southwesterly wind direction, kind of shoving some of that smoke back up to Canada where it came from. So looking at scattered rain showers this morning, most of it's in the east, and then it gets real spotty as you head towards Cleveland, and then even spottier towards the Sandusky area. So a picture here for you, broader scale at what's going on. We have a low pressure that's hanging out over, say, Chicago area into Indiana and Michigan. And as we go throughout the day today, that is going to shift to the east. So there it is, a look at it right there. So this is going to move to the east, and you'll notice on the back side of it, we've got some more rain and storms. So this right here, where we have this nice break, is going to bring the potential for sunshine, warmer temperatures. But if we do see that, it could mean stronger storms later this evening, okay? So we know the ingredients for storms and strong storms are heat, moisture. You need some lift in there as well. So yeah, cloud cover is going to play a big role in whether or not the storms we see tonight have any, severity to them. So let's go ahead and walk through the hour by hour on Futurecast. Actually, first, back up here. I want to show you our smoke forecast as we get into the next couple of days. So today our levels will be low, and they will continue to be low as we head into Monday and your 4th of July. Now back to our hour by hour on Futurecast here. This is a little overperforming when it comes to the severity of the rain showers, so keep that in mind, but the placement is pretty good as far as the location of the rain. Looking for your lunch hour, if we can get the breaks in the clouds, I think most of us will be in the low 80s, so I'm putting it at about 82. Should we see the clouds sustain and really hold on, that will keep our temperatures closer to that 80-degree mark, maybe even upper 70s. A stray shower through the lunch hour and early evening is still possible, but a better chance for rain and storms rolls in around, let me back this up here, I would say 5 to 7 for the western communities, 7 to 9 for the Cleveland down to Canton area, and then 9 to say 11 or so for the Youngstown, Warren, and Ashtabula area. So that's just a general broad brush timing for you, give or take an hour or so. So that means your entire day isn't a washout by any means, but you'll notice that some of these here do look a little bit on the strong side. So we'll talk about that severe risk here in a second, but getting into our Monday morning, if you do have to go to work, your skies will be mostly dry, temperatures will be mid and upper 60s. More sunshine for our Monday afternoon. Notice this wind convergence here. You'll notice it really kind of around the Ravenna area, stretching along 71. That's going to be the cold front clearing through. So usually we think cold front, we think real active weather, lots of colder temperatures behind it. We're going to see just slightly cooler temperatures tomorrow afternoon, probably around 80 or so, and then a pop-up shower or storm middle of the day. As we head into Tuesday, our 4th of July holiday, things get even better. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. This is, again, we're backing up to Sunday, just a broad picture for you here. That's Sunday night. You'll notice how even, if I back this up 5:30 to 9 or so, some of those showers and storms even die off pretty quickly. Monday, a spotty shower, midday storm is possible, and then Tuesday, sunny skies. Same for Wednesday. So not a bad forecast on the way. I will tell you things are getting pretty warm as we head into Tuesday and Wednesday, mid to upper 80s. Any risk for severe weather today would be later in the day. We're talking evening hours, again, west to east, 4 or 5 o'clock, then Cleveland area 7 or so, eastern communities 7 to 9, maybe even a little later towards 11. And it's just a marginal risk. That's 1 on a scale of 5, and along the lakeshore, your threat is much less. The further south you head, better chance for seeing any strong storms. So the biggest threats here are going to be locally heavy rain. Could see some localized flooding in areas. We've had, decent amount of rain. The ground is now soaked. So additional rainfall, especially if it comes down heavy, could create ponding on the roads and some flooding. High winds are another thing we're looking for with these storms pushing through. As for our boating forecast for today, well, it's not the best day to hit the water, I gotta say. If you are adamant about it and not listening to me, if you're gonna do it, I would say do it around the lunch hour when skies are driest. Aside from the storms, the waves should be pretty small, 1 foot or less, both today and tomorrow. But tomorrow's looking like a much better day when it comes to any boating plans you have. And then I'll look at the forecast for today with our precipitation in there as well. Driest of the day will be about, again, I would say 10:30 to 4 o'clock. 82, we're going to be reaching for it. It's all hinging on the cloud cover. And then the 8-day forecast, showers taper off tomorrow, upper 80s by Wednesday. 4th of July looks great, a little warm. If you've got parades going on, have water handy and also some sunscreen. And then we're back in the 70s to close out the work week next week and staying there for the weekend. Drier skies as well. Small chance for a shower Thursday into Friday. If you guys have questions about anything that I did not cover, drop a comment in there. I'll do my best to answer. And if you're not doing anything, at 11, we will be back on air, Jasmine and I. So we will see you then. Take care and enjoy the holiday weekend. Stay safe, everyone.